All right, question 4 says the current in amperes a machine needs to reach a certain power level can be modeled by the equation I equals 0.38 times the square root of P, where P is the power of the machine in watts. If the current is 2.5 amperes, what is the power of the machine in watts? All right, so let's identify what we're given and what we're looking for. In the question, it says we are given a current of 2.5 amperes. Okay. And our variable that represents our current is I. So what we're going to do is substitute our value of 2.5 in for I, and then we're going to solve for P, the variable that represents the power of the machine in watts. All right, so let's solve this equation. So our first step, we need to get rid of the 0.38 that is multiplying the square root of P. So I'm going to divide each side by 0.38. And so that gives us 6.57. So I'm going to round this to 4 decimal places to give us some precision. So that would be 6.5789. Okay. Now to solve for P, all we need to do is square each side. And that tells us that our power, and actually for calculator purposes, we can actually use this answer that we got by hitting second and the answer key, which is the negative sign, and then just taking that and squaring it. So by doing this, we won't lose any precision. We'll lose a little bit, but not a ton. We'll have a very precise answer. Okay. So that tells us that the power from a current of 2.5 amperes is 43.28 watts.